are the four destinations of Big Lagoon. More activities, more kayaking and sightseeing you're digging. So kayaking was rented no good 2 people just only for 300 and good for 3 just only for 500. So we are staying 1 hour. So you can see on the beach, it's not allowed to go with your mixture and going into Big Lagoon. Okay? So before you go down, just wearing your life is are mandatory because we have a martial leave. Then prepare your payment before you go down. Okay? Ma'am, ito na yung pinaka-highlight siya, ito na yung pinaka-maganda na pupuntahan natin. Ito na po yung binayaran yung 200 guys per head from entrance.
Kayaking time.
After nito, ma'am.
Sige, isa kayo, si Dada, si Abby ko. Tapos kami tatlo. Tatlong bangka tayo.
Pero walang snorkeling area.
Sa isa, dalawa lang eh.
Do you wanna do kayak? Or just snorkeling? We gonna have a snorkeling or just kayak? You gonna do this thing? Nah? Okay, we gonna go the just snorkeling time. Okay? We gonna have the snorkeling. Like swimming on the. Yeah, we have the goggles. I want to see, you know, coral on the bottom.
Sa malaki ko dito. Binabayaran po natin yung kaya. Before kasi per budget. Yung dalawang sakay niya, tapos driver rin. Okay.
Hindi. Mag-ano lang kami, meron kaming.
Ma'am, bawal mag-stay dito. Ma'am, ito na yung maganda na pupuntahan natin.
Ayaw niya kasi sumakit na
Ma'am,
yung
pwede
likod.
po kayo namin kaya. Kayo kami magpapadal kayo sa kailan.